Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a humble vegetable that helps your body's natural detox, cabbage. This versatile leafy green is often overlooked, yet it's packed with nutrients. Let's explore why cabbage is great for detoxification. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable, same family as broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables are known for their health benefits, cabbage included. Key reasons: antioxidants, fiber, and sulfur-containing compounds. All of these work together to help your body eliminate toxins. First, antioxidants. Cabbage is rich in vitamins, especially vitamin C and vitamin E. These are powerful antioxidants that protect your cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when free radicals damage cells, tissues, and organs. Eating antioxidant-rich foods like cabbage helps reduce that damage and supports detox. Antioxidants in cabbage also support liver health, the body's primary detox organ. The liver filters toxins and processes waste. Cabbage helps that function. Cabbage contains compounds called glucosinolates that support liver detox pathways. These help the liver break down toxins more efficiently. Now let's talk about fiber. Cabbage is loaded with dietary fiber. Fiber supports digestion and promotes regular bowel movements to remove waste. Fiber helps move waste through the digestive tract so toxins are eliminated. Without enough fiber, toxins can linger. Cabbage helps keep things moving. Cabbage also contains sulfur compounds, which are essential for detox. Sulfur supports production of glutathione, a powerful liver antioxidant. Glutathione neutralizes free radicals and toxins, a key detox player. The sulfur in cabbage helps activate glutathione so detox runs efficiently. Cabbage is low in calories and high in water, so it's great for a healthy diet. That water content helps you stay hydrated, another small step for detox. Cabbage is incredibly versatile, raw, cooked, or fermented. Fermented cabbage like sauerkraut adds probiotics for gut health. Enjoy it raw in salads for crunch and vitamin retention, or add it to soups and stews for warming, nutritious meals. Fermented cabbage gives you probiotics that support digestion and the microbiome. That's another way cabbage helps the body process and eliminate waste. Practical tip: aim to include cabbage a few times a week in meals. Prepping ahead makes it easy. Shred it in salads or frozen for soups. Most healthy adults benefit from cabbage, but listen to your body with new foods. If you have health conditions, check with your primary care provider first. Recap: cabbage gives antioxidants, fiber, sulfur compounds, hydration, and low calories. Together, these support liver function, digestion, and toxin elimination. It's an easy, affordable way to boost your daily nutrition and feel better. Small changes like this can add up over time. This information is educational and based on common nutritional science. For tailored advice, talk with your clinician about your unique needs. If you don't have a primary care doctor, consider MyHomeDoc Telehealth. MyHomeDoc offers affordable telehealth visits, no insurance required, starting at $39. See a board-certified physician from home for convenient care and quick advice. Same-day appointments and online consultations make it easy to get guidance. Visit the MyHomeDoc Telehealth website to book a visit or learn more. They offer urgent care, digital prescriptions, and personalized plans, all online. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. For specific health advice, always consult your primary care physician. If you don't have a doctor, visit MyHomeDoc Telehealth for affordable, convenient care. Their platform helps uninsured patients access quality telemedicine visits quickly. To sum up, cabbage supports detox with antioxidants, fiber, and sulfur compounds. Eat it raw, cooked, or fermented. Small changes can support your health. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and enjoy adding more cabbage to your meals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more educational content. For convenient online care, visit the MyHomeDoc Telehealth website. Affordable telemedicine when you need it. Same-day visits and easy scheduling. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more. See you next time. Stay healthy.